Banga Jollof rice is on the menu today. Hello lovelies, today I share how to make Banga Jollof rice. If you want to know how I made this, keep watching and let's get started. Here are my ingredients: smoked mackerel fish. You guys, you can use any proteins of your choice: dry catfish, crayfish, peppers, onions, ginger, garlic, scent leaf. You can also use curry leaves, seasoning cubes and salt, and of course my palm fruit concentrate. This is the brand I'm using. You guys, this recipe tastes more better if you can lay your hand on banga nuts. Just cook and mash it up and extract the juice. But when the desirable is not available, the available will be desirable. I have already started cooking the banga concentrate. As you can see, oil has floated on top. That means it is ready to receive all my ingredients. And to that, I'll go in with my blended peppers and onions, dry catfish, ehuru, seasoning cubes, salt, and scent leaves. I will mix to combine, cover, and allow it to come to a boil. Once that is done, I will go in with my parboiled rice and I will give it a good mix. Next, I will go in with my smoked mackerel fish. I'm going to cover with foil and cook on a medium heat. If you are still watching, that means you love this recipe. Please support me by sharing this video. Thank you, and that is it for today's video. I hope you find happiness in watching today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.